04. We'll add it as an interest. Okay, so this is now added, and we'll save it. Next is 101. 101 will add one entry. I'm just adding it for example, so I'm adding an entry randomly. You have to add whatever entry you have on your sheet. So this is done. Interest, tab, save, it will be saved. 101, it is already saved. So you can exit, you can go to list of transactions, transaction date. It's the withdrawal is considered as transaction, so it is 03/06/2010. You can see one transaction here, that is withdrawal. So this is just an FYI tab, you need not have to do anything here. Last balance is what we have entered, like it is the balance after we have entered all the transactions. Last balance for 100, account number 100 is 160. Close. You have to now calculate the IBB. Like mostly this IBB will be calculated by the post office people. Just guide them as and when they have issues. IBB year 12. Press enter here for the number to change. 100. End account number is 100. Give OK. For 100th account, you see all these details. Okay, now you can just close it, and then you have to come for this one, annual interest calculation. Okay, so your interest is 12 rupees. The interest is not posted in your account, like it is not posted in the account number 100. All we are doing is calculating the interest for that account. Now when we click on this particular annual interest posting, only then we will have a posting done on that particular account. So now see, before balance and balance after interest posting, everything is shown. Close. These two are just print options. In view option, you can close it. You can go to last balance, you can check the balance of this customer as on today, and you will find that the balance has increased. See, 172 is the final balance that is increased. So similarly you will have to do for the other account also. So you have covered all the tab here: open account, IBB, transaction, list of transaction, last balance, and then the last tab is exit. So we come out, and after coming out, we will scan the document, like the signature of that particular account number, whatever is there. Now for this, what we will do is we'll create a folder name be signature. In this folder we will place all the files. So the naming convention of the file should be ZQ and account number. Okay, and it should be in BMP form. So what we'll do is we'll create that file signature. I'm creating it on my own now, but you have to create it as like you have to take a screenshot, or you have to scan and you have to place it here. Okay, so it will be ZQ and 100. I have to sign this particular document for it to get attached. Open with Paint. So I'm done signing it. I'll save as BMP picture, save it as monochrome bitmap, and enter save. This is just for reference. Now we're getting 46.8 KB. Okay, cancel. And what we'll do now is we'll give this particular path here, copy address as text, Control V. Now the signature folder should have a text.bat, that is a empty batch file. So you will have to give text just file, save as, .bat, and save. So this is saved as a batch file. Any confusions, for avoiding confusions, just delete it. Now this has to be given here. Give scan, give store, press enter. Storing of signature is completed. So whatever signatures are there, they will get stored in one shot. Why am I giving a text.bat here? That will be a FAQ. Now this particular column or this particular place should have the URL of your printer ideally. So now if you have to do one by one, it will take a lot of time. So for your convenience, what we are doing is we are creating a batch file, keeping it here excuse me, keeping it here, and we are just storing it once for all. So once this is done, you can view that signature, press enter, 100, enter, see, you are able to see the signature. Now close, exit. This is done. So scanning is also done. Delete account number and NSS87 account closure. Delete account number, you have to give the account number, enter. Are you sure you want to delete? Yes. And then there will be another yes which you have to give to delete the account number completely. Now NSS87 account closure, give the account number. It will automatically calculate the current year interest, which is 11 rupees here. If there is any issue with this interest, what you can do is you can edit this field and you can give the desired value. So once you can view the signature, close it, you can close the account. Account is closed. And one more catch, you cannot delete a closed account. You try deleting it, enter, yes, this account is closed and you cannot delete it. This message will pop up. So we are done now. We are done with the NSS87 part. Will come out. Now what we'll do is we'll enter a certificate. Module and certificate. Now this is the most expected, awaited and desired part of this particular release. Removal of initialization from the certificates. Username, sorry, username was supposed to be counter, right? So again the best site initialization is disabled, and we have included certificate pledging also. This takes care of a lot of difficulties and gaps in the data entry that was earlier existing. Now you can give a certificate, KVP, issue certificate. All you have to concentrate is on the numbers that you are giving, but please make sure you have to give the right numbers in order to data being migrated very accurately. Don't be lethargic, or have your full concentration on this. So 100, use tab, holder's name, give name, tab, single, tab. It will come to this page like this field 01 1990. I'm just giving all 1990s to make sure I remember in case I have to give these dates somewhere. And the amount, you can other ID, if it is there you have to enter, otherwise you can do a amount 1000. Address, this address, once you exit without giving, you have to again come to this account and fill. It will get disabled. So make sure if you want to enter it. Another, everything comes up automatically. Save it, save successfully, and exit. Minor, if it is yes, check it, otherwise just leave it. We'll check 1. Minor, date of birth 01/01 1989. Give the father as father, give the father's name or guardian's name as such here. Then come back, certificate, prefix. This is the ideal case of prefix 1, and number of certificates is 10. The amount should match, like the amount here and the amount KV in the field KVP amount in rupees should match, otherwise it will cause an error. We will check that error to 1800. You want OK, amount entered does not tally with the total number of certificates. Give OK, give the proper amount and enter. Now you can save. Please click save button. It is clicked and your job is done. KVP is entered. You have entered the record for KVP now. Now what I'll do, exit, I'll come to NSE 9, because NSE 8 is pretty similar to KVP, but NSE 9 there is one catch, the identity proof is mandatory. Now we'll see 100, holder's name is Sarath, type is single, joint holder's name 01/01 1990. Identity proof, give the identity proof, give a PAN card or anything. PAN card will give. Okay, and second holder's proof, this will come into play when you are doing a joint account. So this is done. And NSE 9 amount, address details similar to what you saw in KVP. Click enter address detail, it will automatically come. If you want to edit it, you can edit it, and press tab, it will come to save it, saved successfully, and then you can exit the screen. Give the certificate 100, prefix is what you have, suffix is 1, and number of certificates is 10. Again, that validation of amount and NSE 9 amount in rupees will have to match. If not, it will throw an error. OK, and click on save, and you are given the option to enter the nominations if there are any. So we'll do that and see. Nomination, registration number is 100, name is name, address is, this is the address and that comes here. and if it's minor, everything is the same as you saw in the earlier cases. 100% share, save it, nomination is saved, click close button of this nomination, give a close. So now you have entered a certificate also. NSE is very similar to what we are seeing in KVP. Now the scanning part is pretty similar. The only catch is here the names are different. For NSE 8 you have to save it as ZC account number, KVP you have to save as ZK account number, and NSE 9 you have to save it as ZZ account number and ZK213. Let's have one scan test, signature, create a bitmap image. What you have to do is you have to what I am doing is I'm just creating an image, signing, and I'm loading it. What you have to do is you have to ideally scan and place your files here. So it's done. Save it, save as, monochrome, save. See, I'm saving it as a save as monochrome, and the naming convention is.
Could you find a way to let me down slowly? A little sympathy, I hope you can show me. If you wanna go, then I'll be so lonely. If you're leaving, baby, let me down slowly. Let me down, down, let me down, down, let me down, let me down, down, let me down, down, let me down. If you wanna go, then I'll be so lonely. If you're leaving, baby, let me down slowly.